Throughout history, our planet has witnessed extraordinary events. From the birth of stars to the power of nature, Earth has a story spanning billions of years. Within this vast timeline, pivotal moments interrupt the rhythm of life, leaving an indelible mark on our collective memory. These are the events that bring the world to a standstill. On April 26, 1986, disaster struck at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant in Ukraine. A routine safety test escalated into a catastrophic explosion at reactor number 4. The blast sent radioactive material into the atmosphere, casting fear and uncertainty across the region and the world. Firefighters bravely battled the inferno, unaware of the invisible danger. Radioactive particles drifted across borders, contaminating vast lands. The human cost was immense. Many suffered acute radiation sickness. The long-term effects of radiation exposure impacted generations. Chernobyl highlighted the need for stringent safety protocols and international cooperation. An exclusion zone was established, and the city of Pripyat became a ghost town. Yet, life found a way to return. Nature reclaimed the area. Forests overtook buildings, and wildlife flourished. Chernobyl stands as a testament to the disaster's legacy and the resilience of life. It reminds us of the importance of vigilance and the delicate balance between humanity and the forces we harness. The disaster serves as a beacon of hope amidst the ruins. Even in the face of unimaginable adversity, life finds a way. On December 26, 2004, a massive earthquake off the coast of Sumatra, Indonesia, triggered a devastating tsunami. The wave, traveling at jet plane speed, rewrote coastlines and etched horror into history. Coastal communities experienced an eerie silence before the wave struck. A towering wall of water engulfed everything in its path. Villages were reduced to rubble, and entire communities were swept away. The tsunami left a trail of devastation across 14 countries. The death toll reached a staggering 250,000 souls. Amidst the despair, stories of survival and courage emerged. The international community responded with aid and support. Medical teams, rescue workers, and volunteers provided essential services. The tsunami highlighted the need for early warning systems and disaster mitigation strategies. It underscored the importance of international cooperation in the face of catastrophic events. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami serves as a reminder of nature's power. It emphasizes the need for preparedness and global solidarity. The human spirit, though tested, remains unbroken. On September 11, 2001, the world watched in horror as American Airlines Flight 11 crashed into the North Tower of the World Trade Center. The impact tore a gaping hole in the skyscraper, sending shockwaves through New York City. 17 minutes later, United Airlines Flight 175 slammed into the South Tower. The attacks were acts of terrorism, targeting symbols of American power. Firefighters and first responders raced to the scene. A third plane, American Airlines Flight 77, crashed into the Pentagon. The fourth plane, United Airlines Flight 93, crashed in Pennsylvania, thwarted by heroic passengers. The collapse of the towers claimed 2,753 lives. The attack on the Pentagon resulted in 184 fatalities. The crash of Flight 93 claimed 40 lives. The 9/11 attacks led to the War on Terror and increased security measures. The Transportation Security Administration, TSA, was created to enhance airport security. The legacy of 9/11 continues to shape the world. The attacks highlight the threat of terrorism and the importance of global cooperation. They also reveal the resilience and compassion of first responders and ordinary citizens. The events of 9/11 serve as a stark reminder of our shared vulnerability. They challenge us to confront our own mortality and re-evaluate our priorities. The attacks underscore the need for vigilance and preparedness. They also reveal the extraordinary capacity of the human spirit for resilience and compassion. The legacy of 9/11 continues to inspire and shape our world. On January 12, 2010, a catastrophic earthquake struck Haiti, plunging the nation into chaos. Buildings crumbled, and the air was filled with cries of those trapped beneath the debris. The death toll exceeded 300,000, and millions were left homeless. The earthquake exposed Haiti's fragile infrastructure and deep-rooted poverty. Hospitals were overwhelmed, and roads were rendered impassable. The international community responded with search and rescue teams, medical personnel, and humanitarian aid. Field hospitals were erected, and food and water distributions were established. The challenges facing Haiti were immense, and the country lacked the resources to cope. The destruction of government buildings hampered coordination efforts. The scale of the devastation made it difficult to deliver aid. Haiti faced a long and arduous road to recovery. The immediate priorities were providing shelter, food, and medical care. The challenges extended beyond immediate needs, requiring rebuilding infrastructure and addressing poverty. The Haiti earthquake serves as a reminder of the destructive power of nature. It underscores the importance of disaster preparedness, especially in developing nations. The earthquake highlights the interconnectedness of our world. It emphasizes the need for global solidarity in the face of such tragedies. The resilience of the Haitian people and the international community's support offer hope. The earthquake serves as a testament to the human spirit's capacity for resilience and compassion. In late 2019, a new threat emerged, a novel coronavirus, later designated SARS-CoV-2. The virus spread rapidly, crossing borders and causing a global pandemic. The World Health Organization declared a global health emergency. Hospitals were overwhelmed, and healthcare workers faced unprecedented challenges. Lockdowns became the new normal, and the world ground to a halt. The pandemic exposed deep inequalities and disproportionately impacted the vulnerable. Scientists worked tirelessly to develop diagnostic tests, treatments, and vaccines. Vaccines offered a beacon of hope, but the fight was far from over. New variants posed ongoing challenges to global health security. Vaccine inequity highlighted the need for global solidarity and cooperation. The COVID-19 pandemic has been a defining moment in human history. It tested our resilience and exposed our weaknesses. The pandemic forced us to confront uncomfortable truths about ourselves and the world. It revealed the extraordinary capacity of the human spirit for innovation and compassion. The pandemic underscores the importance of preparedness and global cooperation. It serves as a reminder of our shared vulnerability and interconnectedness. These events remind us of the fragility of life and the interconnectedness of all living things. They challenge us to re-evaluate our priorities and cherish the precious gift of life. They reveal the extraordinary resilience of the human spirit and our capacity for compassion and innovation.